This is a topic of analytic trigonometry. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to identify and understand the types of angles, understand and apply the trigonometric identities, solve the trigonometric problem using appropriate formulas, and solve the trigonometric equations. Trigonometry means angle of measurement. It studies relationship between side length and angles of triangles, mostly on the right triangles. Usually, the angle measured in degrees or radians. Trigonometry has lots of use in the real world, from everyday life to the complicated stuff of engineers, physicists, astronomers, and more. An angle is when two rays have their endpoint in common. The two rays make up the sides of the angle called the initial side and also the terminal side. If the rotation is in the counterclockwise direction, the angle is positive. For example, in this figure, it shows that alpha have a positive angle since the direction is counterclockwise. As for this figure, the direction is clockwise, therefore the angle is negative. And also this for this figure, the direction is counterclockwise, therefore the angle is positive. As the angle increase, the name of the angles also change. This is called acute angle, whereas the angle that is less than 90 degrees. This is called right angle, which is angle that is exactly 90 degree. For an angle that is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is called obtuse angle. This is 180 exactly 180 degree and it's called a straight angle. This is a reflect angle where angle that is greater than 180 degree. And lastly, this angle is exactly 360 degree and it's called full rotation angle. The measure of an angle is in radians and degrees. This figure shows the unit circle in degrees where one complete revolution is equivalent to 360 degrees. As for 1/4 of a complete revolution is equivalent to 90 degrees. This figure shows that the direction of the angle is a counterclockwise rotation, therefore it is a positive angle. As for this figure, the direction of the angle is a clockwise rotation, therefore we have a negative angle. As for radians, one complete revolution is equivalent to 2 pi. Half radians, half revolution is equivalent to pi. So 1 radian is equal to 57.295 degree. Therefore, 2 pi radians is equivalent to 360 degrees. Thus, for 2 pi over 360 degrees, it is equal to 1. And pi over 180 degrees is equal to 1. So, in order to convert the degree to radian, we only need to multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Furthermore, to convert radians to degree, we just multiply by 180 degree over pi. Example, let's convert the following angle measures to either radians or degree. You must remember to make sure to set your calculator in the right mode, either in radian or degree.
For example, now our mode is in radian. So if we want to change the mode to degree, just press mode until it shows degree. Okay, so if you want to change from radian to degree, just press number 1. Okay, now our mode is already in degree, so you can start calculate the question. Let's say you want to change back this to radian, just press until you get radian, which is number 2, and then press number 2. Now your mode will become a radian.
For example, we have first question, we have 20 degree, we will convert to radians. Therefore, we need to make sure our mode in calculator should be in radians before we start the calculation. For this one, we just multiply with pi over 180 degree and we will get 0.3491 radians. Same goes to question B, where we have a degree 210 degree. We need to make sure the calculator mode is in radian because we want to change from degree to radian. Therefore, we only have to multiply 210 degree with pi over 180 degree and we will get 3.6652 radians. Next, for question C, we will change the radians to angle. Therefore, make sure the calculator mode should be in degree because we want to calculate degree. Calculation is just you need to multiply with 180 degree pi and the answer is 540 degree. And last question, 0.3 pi radian, we will change to degree. Please make sure the calculator mode is in degree. And the calculation, we just multiply 0.3 pi radian with 180 degree over pi, which is equivalent to 54 degree. For this exercise, you will need to convert the following angle measure to radians or degree. Please pause this video and try to do it yourself. For this exercise, you should get this answer.